In this video, I tried making money with a platform called Swagbucks. Now, if you don't already know what Swagbucks is, it's basically a website where you complete surveys and play games, and then they give you Swagbucks in return, and for your rewards, you can then cash them out in the form of gift cards. So that could be anything to do with Amazon or PayPal, and that's how you basically make money. Now, this video is going to show you honest and realistic results. So I did the challenge for only 5 hours in the day, and it's not going to show you any sort of out of touch results where people are claiming that they could make easily $100 in a week with Swagbucks, because it's just very difficult to even do that or to get there. Now, before we go into how much I actually made on this platform, I just wanted to show you how it works and then some other reviews on Trustpilot to see if this platform is even legit or not. So you can see over here that once you actually signed up and joined, or what you then have to do is either so you can shop in store or online, so you can pay for things in general and you will get rewards. You can watch videos, but some of these videos, they don't really have many when I was doing it. Play games, search the web and answer surveys. And then once you're able to do all of this, you can get the free gift cards. Now, as you know, with surveys, in order to make money, it's very tedious and very time consuming. For example, completing one of these surveys could get you 50 Swagbucks, but you'll have to put 30 minutes into it. So most of these surveys pay around 100 or to 300 Swagbucks. For 100 Swagbucks, it might be roughly 15 to 20 minute survey. For 300, it's probably about 35 minutes or 40 minutes. And that's if you even qualify. What I noticed when doing the challenge is when I clicked on doing one of the surveys, what would happen is I'd fill out a few questions about my demographics and my age. And then after I did that completion, which took 2 minutes, it would then take me out of the survey saying that I wasn't eligible for that and to try a different survey, meaning that I would only get one Swagbuck and not the full 100 or 200 that they were offering. And it happened with a lot of the surveys that I was not eligible for. So they're obviously looking for a particular type of people to complete the surveys, and so because of that, that just meant my limit for making a lot of Swagbucks was reduced. So we'll just go on the Swagbuck reviews on Trustpilot.com, and you can see that they currently have a 4.2 out of 5-star rating, which is pretty high, but I just want to have a look and see what people have said. There's a large mixture of different sort of reviews, both positive and negative. See, some people are saying it's good and legit and that payments are guaranteed. However, some people are saying that in terms of the game side, you have to actually download them and then get to a very high level. So you can see over here, this offer's pretty attractive, saying that you can earn up to 4,300 swag points, but once you actually click onto it, you'll see that you have to reach to a certain level. So if I just go to my notification and check one of these out, we've got a Play Luck Buddies on this app, and you'll actually win 4,500 swag points. However, you have to reach level 150 within 30 days. Now, that's going to be quite difficult to do because you're obviously going to have to play the game, and how long it's going to take you to even reach that level is going to be an astonishing amount of time, because you'll have to play at least maybe 2 or 3 hours a day. And so really what they're doing is they're getting you with your amount of time and with these ridiculous requirements to actually achieve it within 1 month. But that's just one of the things about the games. Other people have said it's good and there's a fast payout and that it's less than 24 hours for PayPal credit. However, again, we've got another complaint about the games saying that you have to chase them for a month with multiple tickets. And some other people are saying that it's a good place for extra cash. Now, in terms of side hustles, I don't think that this is the best place to make money. So let's have a look at what I've actually earned and why I don't think it's the best side hustle. So as you can see here, I have earned 291 Swagbucks in just a space of 5 hours, and majority of that was watching 1 or 2 videos and the rest of it was surveys. I did not bother to play any sort of games because you have to reach an unreasonable requirement in such a short amount of time. So my 291 Swagbucks is basically the equivalent to $2.91 in US currency terms. And if I want to redeem my rewards with this amount, you can see here that I don't even qualify near to the closest amount, which is £5. So I need at least 500 Swagbuck points to get any of these top offers over here. And even if you look at these rewards here, it says that you can get from £1 to £100, and if that's the case, I should be able to qualify. However, you can only redeem your first reward once you have earned 1,000 Swagbucks. So if I'm to earn 1,000 Swagbucks based on 5 hours, I can make just under 300. It would probably take me another 2.5 days in order to do that, and that would be another 10 hours of my time. And that to me is quite a lot, because essentially I have put in 15 hours of work for £10, which is a lot lower than minimum wage. And so these websites are only for extra cash if you have the extra time. It's definitely not a good size hustle to put all of your time into, because you're not going to get a lot of rewards for it. Again, if you get a minimum wage job, you can earn about £10 an hour, and with 15 hours you can make 150 quid in a week. But with Swagbucks, you'll only make £15 in a week with the same amount of time. Is Swagbucks legit? Yes, Swagbucks is a legit website. You do accumulate these Swagbucks, and once you receive the 500 or 1000 limit, you will be able to redeem these rewards. I still haven't been able to do that yet because I need to hit that £5 mark, but once I do, I will be able to get these gift cards and things like that. So the website is legit, but in terms of efficiency and making money, is it the best website to go for? And I would obviously say no. It's probably ranked on the lowest of the low in terms of side hustles to do. Again, you can get much better side hustles to make money, especially online, and this definitely isn't the best one to do. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of these videos of I tried making money online, and also like the video if you enjoyed it as well.